students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today I will see the chapter number 4 geometry. The topic is centroid. Centroid, the point of concurrency of the medians of a triangle is called the centroid of triangles and is usually denoted by G. That is a diagram. Concurrency, point of concurrency of the median first, what is a median means that is we have three vertices A, B and C. We draw a straight line in any vertex. That straight line intersect the opposite side at median, that is midpoint. Opposite side midpoint, that is a median. Okay, we draw any straight line in any vertex A, B, C. The straight line intersect the opposite side at midpoint, that is a median. The three medians intersect point of concurrency, that is intersect point, that is called centroid. It's usually denoted by G. Okay, that is a centroid. Hence, the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. The centroid divides each median in the ratio is 2:1 from the vertex. Okay, now we will see the example 4.12. Construct the centroid of triangle PQR whose sides are PQ equal to 8 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. The question is, the measurement is PQ equal to 8 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. Construct the centroid of triangle PQR. Example 4.12. Construct the centroid of triangle PQR whose sides are PQ 8 cm, QR 6 cm and RP equal to 7 cm. Okay, first we draw rough diagram. And what is the given value? Triangle PQR. PQ equal to 8 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. That is a given value. Now draw a rough diagram. In triangle, draw only one triangle, that is PQR. That is a rough diagram. PQR. PQ is 8 cm, QR is 6 cm and RP is 7 cm. That is a rough diagram. Okay, it is simple. First we write given and rough diagram. Okay, now next draw a main diagram. First, what is the value of PQ? That equal to 8 cm. Now draw a straight line PQ equal to 8 cm. Okay, first we draw a straight line PQ equal to 8 cm. Second, what is second value? QR is 6 cm. Now take compass, measure the value of QR is 6 cm. Right? Now draw a arc in center at Q, because QR means the center value is Q. Next measurement, RP equal to 7 cm. Now take the measurement of in your compass 7 cm. The center point is P. Now arc the measurement 7 cm. The intersect point is, that is R. The intersect point is, that is R. And then join PR and QR. Okay, that is a recurved triangle. First we draw only triangle, that is point R, not Q. That is point R. And then join the triangles PR and PQR. That is a triangle PQR. Okay, next we draw any two sides. We draw any two sides of perpendicular bisector. First we take the side PQ. Okay, any sides PQ, QR, PR. Draw any two perpendicular bisector. First we take side. First we draw line PQ by perpendicular bisector. Take more than half in PQ. Now PQ is a center point. We draw one arc, the line PQ above and below, and then P is a center. We draw another arc above and below. The intersect point, that is, we join the straight line to above and below arcs. Draw a straight line, that is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. Okay, can you understand? First we draw a line perpendicular bisector of PQ. Then second, take a side of QR. That is, first we take more than half in QR. Draw above and below arc of QR. The intersect first point Q, second point the measurement is same measurement. Draw the perpendicular bisector. The intersect point of two arcs join a straight line, that is a perpendicular bisector of QR. We draw two perpendicular bisector. The intersect point PQ and vertex are joined, that is a median, first median. Okay, the midpoint of PQ and vertex R is joined. Next one, the midpoint of QR, the opposite vertex is P, then join the P. Okay, the two medians join intersect point are G, that is G is a centroid. Can you understand? The two medians, we draw three medians, maximum three medians, but minimum two medians. Now draw only two medians. Okay, next exercise 4.5, the first question. Another example sum. Construct the triangle LMN such that LM equal to 7.5 centimeter, MN equal to 5 centimeter, and LN equal to 8 centimeter. It's located its centroid. LM equal to 7.5, MN equal to 5 centimeter, LN equal to 8 centimeter. Located its centroid. Okay. What is first one? We draw given and we write given and rough diagram. Draw a rough diagram. What is the given value? First we draw rough diagram. Okay. The given value is triangle, that name is LMN. This LM equal to 7.5 centimeter, MN equal to 5 centimeter, LN equal to 8 centimeter. Draw a triangle LMN. This is rough diagram. Rough diagram means that is only simple triangle. L value is 7.5 centimeter. MN 5 centimeter and LN equal to 8 centimeter. That is a rough diagram. Next we draw a main diagram. First we draw a straight line. LM equal to, what is the measurement? 7.5 centimeter. Draw a straight line LM equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now write the value name is LM. Measurement is 7.5 centimeter. Next, we take a measurement of Mn, that equal to 5 centimeter. So M center point, we draw a one arc Mn equal to 5 centimeter. Next measurement is Ln, that is 8 centimeter. Take measurement of 8 centimeter in our compass. In center point is L. Now arc the same arc, intersect the same arc. The intersect point is, that is N. Now join the Ln and Nm, that is a required triangle. Okay, LMN, that is a required triangle. Now located its centroid, therefore we take any two side. We draw a two perpendicular bisector arc. Now first side LM, take more than half in side LM. M is a center point. We draw two arc, up and down arc, above and below arc of line LM. Next center point L, intersect the two arc. The intersect two arcs. Now draw the straight line, the two arc, intersect the two arcs. Draw a straight line. The straight line is perpendicular bisector of LM. That is also midpoint of, the point is midpoint of LM. Second one, okay, the second one, any one LM, Mn. Now draw a Mn perpendicular bisector. Take more than half in LM. We draw up and down arc, above and below arc, center point M. Second one, center point N, intersect the two arc. Now join the intersect point of two arcs, that is a another perpendicular bisector, that is Mn of perpendicular bisector. That is also midpoint of Mn. We write any name A, B, any one. Okay. Now next, we draw the median. What is the median? The midpoint of LM and the opposite vertex is N. The join the midpoint of LM and the opposite vertex N. That is a median of LM. Second one, the midpoint of, we draw a straight line, midpoint of Mn and the opposite vertex is L. That is a another median. Now located its centroid. What is centroid is? The median or intersect point is centroid. So therefore that is centroid. We write centroid name is G. Can you understand? G is a centroid. Okay, of triangle, of the triangle LMN. Okay, can you understand? Next, it's our homework sums. Exercise 4.5 second sum. Draw and locate the centroid of the triangle ABC where right angle at A. Right angle means that is 90 degree. AB equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 3 centimeter. Now here only two values, AB equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. First we draw a given rough diagram. Next main diagram is AB is 4 centimeter. Therefore we draw AB is 4 centimeter. Next the right angle at A means we draw a angle 90 degree in your protractor. Okay, take your protractor, measure 90 degree at A, the center is A. Then we draw AC 3 centimeter the arc. Take measurement AC 3 centimeter, the center at A. Now arc, cut the arc in the perpendicular and in the right angle triangle, that is point C. Therefore this is the recorded triangle of ABC. And then we draw two perpendicular bisector. Next to the perpendicular bisector point, join the vertex. The two medians are intersect point is G. Okay. Third sum, homework sum. Draw the triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 110 degree and AC equal to 9 centimeter, and construct the centroid. Here angle B equal to 110, that is obtuse angle, right? Next, what is the main diagram? First we draw a straight line AB equal to 6 centimeter. Then angle is B, that is B is 110 degree. 110 means that is obtuse angle. And draw carefully, that is obtuse angle. Next one, AC equal to 9 centimeter. Next measurement, take your compass, measurement is 9 centimeter. Measure the value. The center point is A. Now arc the obtuse angle in B, the straight line, that is a recorded triangle ABC. And then you draw two perpendicular bisector that intersect point or join the vertex, that is a centroid G. Okay. The last sum also homework, fourth one. Construct the triangle PQR such that PQ equal to 5 centimeter, PR equal to 6 centimeter, and angle QPR equal to 60 degree, and located its centroid. First main diagram, we draw PQ equal to straight line PQ equal to 5 centimeter. Second one, we make an angle of 60 degree. What measurement? Yes, that is QPR equal to 60 degree means we make an angle with the center name is, what is center name? P, right? That is P is a angle of 60 degree. Make an angle 60 degree with the point P, and then we draw PR equal to 6 centimeter. The intersect point is R. Therefore we draw triangle, recorded triangle PQR. And then next we draw two perpendicular bisector. The intersect point are join the medians. The medians are intersect point at, that is G. G is a centroid. Can you understand? That's all. Centroid is over. Thank you. We'll see you in next class.